Hello everyone. So it's another beautiful clear blue sky today, but as you can see behind me we had the soil delivered, the excavator in, they leveled it as best they could with the JCB. I've just been round this morning kind of raking it to get it as level as I can. There's a few kind of bigger clumps that just need to dry out and we can break them up, and then we are going to put grass seed down. We are going to make a bit of a flower bed here where the wheelbarrow is, and then this area will be kind of grassed and a few trees at the front eventually. But yeah, it's really good. Kind of the level, it was only kind of one carload we needed in the end. We were thinking we needed 3, but we've done it quite well with just 1. So I'll just quickly show you around again. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and remember to follow us or subscribe to RuTube. All the videos will be over on RuTube as soon as they upload, and any new ones I post will be on RuTube and YouTube, so all links will be in the description. Okay, so let me just show you around the leveling of the soil before the fence sheets go up and we put the grass seed down. Enjoy. So we've also now got the JCB excavator coming to move the soil and spread it around as best they can. Only got 1 load delivered today, and they can't bring any more soil today, but we're hoping that 1 load will do anyway. So JCB's coming now, and it is going to move it around the garden and level it as best it can. We're just hoping that is going to be enough soil, because we've had enough. No, it should be okay, but I'll try and get some footage of the JCB as well. So the excavator's just finished doing pretty much what I can in terms of flattening it, just tidying up a little bit. I'm going to wait for it kind of soil to dry a little bit more and then just rake it round and try and get it as level as we can tomorrow. But yeah, 1 kind of truckload or carload as they call it, the shackman, was actually enough to go right round. So yeah, quite happy with that, to be honest. Boy George, thanks for your help. So yeah, they put as much round as they could and tried to scrape it coming back. Needs a little bit of leveling, but we are quite happy with that now. Doesn't really need another one. It's quite level with the path. That's the main thing. We don't want it level with the kind of fence foundation. It was level with this path that goes around the house. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I think it's probably a bit too warm over the next week or so to maybe put seed down. It's not due much rain at all, so we'll think about that. But yeah, it's kind of leveled it right round now. There's a big kind of hole just there, but yeah, JCB leveled it as best as it could and goes right down and round now. So yeah, I think we'll just get the rake on it tomorrow a bit more and we'll go from there. But yeah, happy with that. Just enough soil now. So this is kind of the front next to where the garage is. So it's kind of one of our biggest areas, I would say. But where George is now, we're going to make that a nice kind of flower, just square it off and make a nice flower bed there. And then we will grass seed down on here and then right down the back, so it'll be a nice kind of play area, like I said, for the kids and just recreational use, whatever we really want to. We'll think about putting fruit bushes or fruit trees dotted around where we can, maybe at the front there or along the side. But yeah, we just want them to have some kind of room to be able to kick the football around on the grass, because it hasn't been the best to be able to kind of play football or play in the garden with all the kind of building construction going on. But yeah, kind of happy with the level of it. Just needs probably a little bit more raking once it's dried out, and then we'll try and seed it, water it, cover it over, let it germinate, and hopefully it will grow. But like I said, a few of the neighbours have been doing it and places, and yeah, the grass seed has germinated and grown in about a week or so, believe it or not. But it's quite a dry spell at the moment, clear blue skies, so might wait for it to get a little bit cooler, because yeah, when you put the grass seed down in really warm kind of direct sunlight, it's not the best. But we will kind of cover it over and keep it moist. So yeah, hopefully we can get that done, but it's not like essential. It's just nice to have it all kind of level now and kind of the soil all held in with the foundations. Is one of the fence foundations, that's one of the main reasons we went for the concrete all around the perimeter, just so it holds it all nicely in, and then when the fence sheets are up, it will be all nice and secure, flat, and quite a good area, especially kind of with the patio once that's done. But yeah, it's one carload was quite good. We're just going to cover this area over because it's quite a lot of weeds here, and kill the weeds there. And then down the side where Gordon's watering, we've got strawberries and a few other plants growing, but all this area is going to be used for growing vegetables and small fruits, things like that. But it's quite a size actually. It's about, I don't know, 14 meters by 2 meters or something, so there's quite a lot of soil there. But yeah, everyone's helping out today. And it's nice and level here as well. So yeah, we'll probably grass all this area as well, so we can sit out and enjoy the sun, because this is the sunniest area of the garden. The sun comes right round and sets in this corner in the evening, so it's where we'll get the majority of the evening sun. Obviously this is the most shaded area of the kind of land. It's because the sun comes up over there and goes right round and then sets over there, so this only gets sun pretty much very early in the morning as the sun comes up there, and then all that side of the house gets it pretty much all day, and then the back and the evening, and then this side gets a little bit with the evening sun. But yeah, it is quite a space. It's yeah, enough to keep on top of, especially with a small family. It's enough to grow what we want, have some space for the kids to run around, and a nice place to barbecue and relax, and a nice area at the front as we look out. So yeah, it's really happy with that. Yeah, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.